Environmental Health and Safety Software, or EHS, are a class of applications designed to manage and improve workplace safety. EHS tools help support audits, inspections, and safety training in order to help organizations take care of their employees. For many industries with safety regulations that must be met, EHS solutions are essential. It can be tricky to determine which EHS tool is the best for your business, though, as there is a wide variety to choose from. To help make your decision easier, we've synthesized verified user reviews from TrustRadius.com to determine what the top use cases, pros, and cons of each EHS solution are. Donesafe is one of the most well-known EHS tools designed to be suitable for enterprise users. Many large enterprises, such as McDonald's, make use of Donesafe to get real-time EHS data and oversee risk in the workplace. One of the most praised features of Donesafe is its usability. Users are able to learn to use Donesafe with minimal training due to its straightforward interface. Businesses that use Donesafe note that this usability has contributed to time savings and a reduction in human error. Additionally, users saw time savings using Donesafe as a result of manual task automations. Processes like data logging went from taking hours to minutes. Despite Donesafe's strong usability features, users also notice some weaker features that are important to consider. One is that customer support experience is mixed. While some users are happy with their experience with Donesafe support, others claim that support requests aren't handled in a timely manner. Some users also note that Donesafe's reporting features are easy to use, but sometimes are not sophisticated enough for complex report building. Donesafe is a great tool for automating manual processes with an easy-to-use interface. If your main goal is to provide users with a simple-to-use platform that will save time on EHS processes and reduce user error, Donesafe is a good choice. Cloudapper Safety is a popular EHS tool designed to improve workplace safety by simplifying record-keeping and maintaining audit logs. One of Cloudapper's best features is its video library functionality. Users can capture videos on mobile devices and upload them to the organization's library, which can include training videos, incident reports, and more. Like Donesafe, Cloudapper offers an easy-to-use platform with a drag-and-drop editor for building out process automations. One of its key differentiators, however, is its mobile app. Most other EHS tools include an application, but users praise Cloudapper Safety for its fully featured application compared to other EHS mobile applications, which sometimes feel like an afterthought. Most reviewers on TrustRadius also note a noticeable decline in workplace accidents since using Cloudapper Safety. The most commonly noted limitation of Cloudapper Safety is that while its drag-and-drop editor is easy to use, it lacks depth. For an organization that isn't comfortable with code, there are limitations to how much you can customize Cloudapper Safety. Cloudapper is a good choice for businesses looking for a simple tool that can quickly help lower workplace incidents. Additionally, Cloudapper Safety is one of the most affordable EHS tools, which can make it a good choice for small businesses. Intelex is a leader in the EHS space and is a popular choice for helping businesses achieve regulatory compliance while reducing accident risk and improving their reputation for safety. Intelex is best known for its heavy customizability across multiple platforms. Intelex is highly customizable to meet almost any regulatory need, though users may need to get some training to get used to working with the software. Users also appreciate Intelex's document control features. It includes easy-to-follow audit trails and automated approval flows, along with highlighted notifications to make documents easy to read and understand. The biggest limitation of Intelex is that its heavy customization comes with it being a little more difficult to use than the other EHS tools we discussed. That said, most users say that once the implementation process is finished, Intelex becomes a lot easier to manage. Users also note that support is excellent during implementation, but can drop off afterwards. Intelex is ideal for businesses looking for a robust EHS tool with a wide range of features and capabilities. Intelex can help businesses meet almost any safety regulation, but it might be overkill for businesses with less complex needs. When selecting an EHS tool for your organization, Donesafe, Intelex, and Cloudapper Safety are all viable choices. Still, there are some important differentiators that can help you make your decision. Donesafe is a great tool when ease of use and time saved are the biggest concerns. Teams can set up Donesafe quickly and onboard administrators easily. The ease of use also helps minimize human error and enable process automations to be built almost immediately after implementing the software. Cloudapper Safety is the most affordable tool of the three and is a good choice for organizations whose biggest concern is immediately lowering workplace accidents. Businesses can leverage its video library feature to easily oversee audits, log incidents, and distribute training materials. Cloudapper Safety is also ideal for businesses that want to make extensive use of mobile applications. Intelex is the best choice for businesses looking for the most features and heavy customization. It's a great choice for businesses with a wide variety of compliance needs, or with highly specific needs that aren't covered by other EHS tools. If you still aren't sure which EHS tool is right for you, or if you want to explore even more EHS products, consider checking out some verified reviews on TrustRadius.com. All reviews on TrustRadius are from real users of the product, who share their experiences based on their use case and infrastructure. Comment below if you think one of these tools is right for you, or if you use another EHS tool that you love. If you like this video and want to see more content like it, consider hitting the subscribe button so that you never miss an upload.